juice.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? I am happy to see you again. Today, we'll learn about juice. Look at the picture. It is orange juice. It looks very fresh. Now let's begin the class about juice. First, we will study some words.
Popular. When many people like a person, that person is popular. The man in the picture is popular, so the girls want him to sign the paper. Who is a popular student in your school? Healthy. When you are well and not sick, you are healthy. In the picture, the man is healthy. He is not sick. Are you healthy?
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Popular. Healthy.
Now you will read a story. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you like juice? Juice is made of fruits or vegetables. Fruit juice is more popular than vegetable juice. It is a healthy food. It has lots of vitamin C. Do you know what the most popular juice is? It's orange juice. What is your favorite juice? When do you usually drink juice?
Which juice is more popular? Fruit juice. Vegetable juice. What is true? Juice isn't healthy. Orange juice is the most popular juice.
What is your favorite fruit juice? I like orange juice. This is the end of our lesson. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.